Let's talk about how a budget can help you to determine how much money you will earn for the month, set savings goals, and keep track of your monthly bills. You can think of a budget as a plan to manage your money. You plan for weekends, vacations, and summer holidays, and now there's another type of plan. Let's find out what is needed to track how much you spend and save. The first step to creating a monthly budget is to find out your monthly income. This is how much money you have for the month. If you have a job and get paid every 2 weeks, you can calculate your monthly income by adding up the number of paychecks you will receive for the month. For example, if you are paid $2,000 every 2 weeks and expect to get 2 paychecks in February, your monthly income for February would be $4,000. After calculating your monthly income, you need to list your expenses for the month. Expense is another word for bills, and a monthly expense is a bill you must pay each month. Rent, car insurance, groceries, eating out, Uber, and shopping are examples of monthly expenses. Some monthly expenses can change every week. These expenses are called variable expenses. This includes things like groceries, eating out, food delivery, and transportation. Keeping track of how your variable expenses change each week can help you stay within your budget. One of your most important monthly expense is your savings. 3 basic types of savings are emergency funds, personal savings, and vacations and gifts. The purpose of an emergency fund is to pay for unexpected expenses, like a stolen laptop. Personal savings is money saved for the future. A savings for gifts and vacations is a great way to plan trips and birthdays. You should review the balance in your savings account to stay on track with your savings goals. Thank you for watching this video. Please check out our other videos to learn how to create a shopping list, understand your pay stub, and how to fill out a job application.